Hello guys, this is your host Lucas and you are watching a new episode of the Numberverse. Today's question is if 8 to the power x plus 27 to the power x whole upon 12 raised to x plus 18 to the power x is equals to 7 by 6, then what will be the value of x? Can you figure it out? Give this problem a try, and when you're ready just keep watching the video for the solution. Let's do this, but first, if you haven't subscribed us yet, press the subscribe button for more such content. So at first glance this problem is pretty intimidating. I don't know of any straightforward technique that would solve a problem like this in general, but what's nice is that 8, 27, 12 and 18 all are factors of 2 and 3, that is 8 is 2 cubed, 27 is 3 cubed, 12 is 2 squared times 3, and 18 is 2 times 3 square, so it's a really nice substitution. Let's say a equals 2 to the power x and b equals 3 to the power x. If we do that, then that means 8 to the x equals a cubed, 27 to the x is b cubed, 12 to the x is a squared b, and 18 to the x is a b squared, and now we have a much nicer situation to deal with. I hope you remembered your sum of cubes formula, because that's exactly what we have in the numerator. This is a plus b times a squared minus a b plus b squared. We can go ahead and cancel a plus b. Double check that a plus b isn't 0, that's true. Because 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is never 0 for all real values of x, multiply both sides by 6ab, we have this expression set, this equal to 0. By moving everything to the left and distributing we get a very interesting situation. Here the trick that I would do is divide every term by b square, since b is 3 to the power x, which is never 0. We're allowed to divide by b, and setting it up like this looks like a quadratic in terms of a over b. In fact, this factors quite nicely and we have a product equaling 0. Either the first piece is 0 or the second piece is 0, meaning the quantity a over b must be 3 halves or 2 2/3. What was a? It was 2 to the power x, and what was b? It was 3 to the power x, so over b is 2 to the power x over 3 to the power x, or using properties of exponents 2 over 3 all to the power x. And we're left with two relatively simple exponential equations. 2/3 to the x equals 2/3, since these bases are equal. That means their exponents must be equal. So x must be 1 or 2/3 to the x equals 3 halves. We can make these bases similar by applying properties of negative exponents. If we raise this to the negative, first, well then the bases are equal and x must be -1, thus we have our two solutions to the original problem. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content. If you have any interesting brain teasers or puzzles, you can share with us by fill out a Google form, link is mentioned in the description.